I do have some pieces that I turned while I was at Mark's, but they're in the house. I have been out in the shop all day upgrading because Mark sold me some tools. And so I want to introduce you guys to an update to my shop. I still have, let me see if I can flip this camera here. So I had my tools lined up on magnets here on the front of the workbench, and that created a problem because I keep finishes up here and sandpaper and drill bits. And so every time I'd reach over, I knock a tool handle and end up hitting the floor with the concrete floor with the tool, which is not good. So one of the tools that Mark sold me is a slow speed grinder with an 80 grit and a 350 grit wheel. He gave me a Wolverine jig. I already had the that part.
Wolverine jigs.
Yep. So I just mounted this. So I got this cart today, and this is the sharp cart. And I mounted my wheel here, and then I just moved my Sorby from the end of the bench there, where my water bottle is, to here. And Harbor Freight is great. Got this nice steel power strip that's magnetic, so I can move it wherever I need, but I've got dedicated power for either sharpening device. And I discovered something very disturbing, and you guys are going to have to help me. All of my tools, like here's my cup chucks, my drive centers, face plates, some things like that, parts for the Sorby. Spindle roughing gouge, parting tool, my little saw, my spiraling tool, scrapers in this drawer, chucks. This is multi-center live center. So this is my collection of live centers, my Jacobs chuck. I got a robust live center. So these go on the robust.
Your cones.
The problem is, and then this is all various tool attachments, buffing and everything. The problem is, there's my boring headset. The problem is, with the exception of the tools I use constantly that are on the lathe, all of my tools fit in this cart. So I don't have enough tools. That's my problem. It's obvious if they all fit in this cart, then there's just not enough there. But I think the really advantage, and I just built this today. I have yet to put something on the lathe and turn it with this, but I think the advantage, first of all, sharper tools with the CBN wheel. But I think the other advantage is my workbench is actually going to be a workbench again. I can go over there and do finishing, do glue ups, stack parts or whatever for the next piece. So that's an advantage, is I'm going to actually have a workbench again and not bump into tools. But rather than walking back to here to this lathe when I'm working on my second lathe, all my tools will travel with me to whichever lathe I'm at, and that's going to be nice. And then sharpening, I'll be able to just turn to the sharp cart, sharpen up, rather than going all the way across the shop to go sharpen. So I think that's another advantage. And this, the motor on this slow speed grinder is super quiet. It's very nice.
Yeah, you don't even know they're running.
Yeah. Oh, it's very nice.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So that's my upgrade to the shop.